Nutritional aspect in pregnancy. What should you eat during pregnancy and what should you not eat during pregnancy? Welcome back to the Nursing Moms and Nurse Janet, and in this video here today I want to talk about some of the 8 best food that you are supposed to eat during pregnancy. Healthy eating plan during pregnancy is very important because remember you'll be eating for 2 people, you and your growing baby. And again, you need high amount of proteins, the vitamins, carbohydrates, all calories, and you need to focus on a whole meal that will give you all these nutrients that are required during pregnancy. And now let's move to the foods that you really need to befriend during pregnancy. The first one is avocados. This fruit is almost available everywhere and actually it's of great choice during pregnancy. They contain very healthy fats known as the fatty acids, they are high in fiber, and avocados plays a very important role in building the skin, the tissues, and even the brain of your little one. You can take avocado as smoothies, as salads, or even toast them in bread. The second one is sweet potatoes. Yeah, just as the name implies, they are sweet. They contain the beta carotene, that is another type of vitamin A that is quite essential in development of the baby. And again, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, so you will be full for quite some time. These are very great choice during pregnancy. Try as much as you can to get these sweet potatoes. You can get them for breakfast in different preparations, whatever. And again, the third one we have eggs. Eggs are very nutritious during pregnancy. They contain almost all the nutrients required. Remember, in an egg you have protein, you have minerals, and especially choline, which is a very important mineral in the development of the baby's brain and spinal cord. You can get your servings as toast in bread, fried or even boiled, whichever that works good for you. You need to eat an egg during pregnancy. The dairy products. Dairy products are things like the cheese, milk, yogurt, and it's very advisable to take them during pregnancy because they contain the minerals. It's an extra source of proteins and this is quite rich for the growing of your little one. Remember, dairy products contain things like calcium, magnesium, the B vitamins that is quite essential in the development of your baby's brain. It also has zinc and some folate in it. Yeah. So consuming or taking at least yogurt per day, like 500 mils per day, is just quite much okay. The dark leafy greens, that is the spinach and any other green that you can get around. Actually, the mbogas, the veggies, those green leafy veggies actually are very nutritious and very important during pregnancy because they contain almost all the vitamins required. You'll get the vitamin A, the vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and even potassium in these green leafy vegetables. So in every serving, you really need to accompany whatever you are eating. Try as much as you can to get green leafy vegetables in that food. Yeah. And again, green leafy veggies are associated with reducing the risk of low birth weight. So see how important it can be. And you equally need to eat legumes during pregnancy. Legumes entails things like soya beans, lentils, peas, peanuts. Yeah, that class of foods. And actually, they are very nutritious during pregnancy because they contain, it's a plant source of protein, which is very important compared to the animal source of protein. And again, they are rich in fibers. They contain the calcium, the folate, the iron, proteins and fiber, and all these are needed during pregnancy. You also need to get protein in your diet during pregnancy, and actually a good source of quality protein includes the animal protein, that is, you need lean beef, you need chicken, you need fish, you need pork, yeah, whatever you can afford. Remember, proteins are very good in tissue development and repair, and again, you need to add weight during pregnancy, so this is quite important. Do not ignore this class of food during pregnancy. And lastly, you need to stay hydrated during pregnancy. Actually, remember, during pregnancy, the blood volume increases by about 45%. So your body will be channeling the hydration process to the baby, leaving you dehydrated. If you don't keep up with this increasing amount in the blood volume, you will always feel dehydrated. And symptoms of dehydration during pregnancy can be slight headache, memory loss, or even just feeling generally fatigued and irritated. You need to keep up with proper water intake. You can get them in beverages, in foods, in fruit salads, and even drinking water just orally. You need to take at least 2 liters of water per day to keep you hydrated during pregnancy. It's quite important. The intake of water also relieves constipation and reduces the risk of urinary tract infection that is quite common during pregnancy. Thank you for watching, and if you are a pregnant woman, it's advisable that you draw a very well balanced meal plan that will help you to get all the nutrients required. Yeah. And again, you can do snacking with either a glass of milk, a yogurt, and fruits. In my next video, I'll be doing important fruits during pregnancy. Which fruits are you supposed to consume most during pregnancy? And again, which fruits are you not supposed to take during pregnancy? Bye.